Every morning, when the first rays of sunlight shine through the window and the rich aroma from a cup of coffee fills the air. Few know that behind every drop of warm coffee is the sweat, effort, and miraculous story of millions of Asian farmers, from the lush highlands of Vietnam to the rolling hills of Indonesia. The coffee plantations here not only nurture coffee beans but also nurture big dreams. Coffee is not just a beverage, it is a symbol of connection. A bridge that links people to people, from distant lands to bustling cities. Particularly, the Asian coffee industry has proven that Latin American or African countries are not the only leaders in this field. Today, Asian farmers, with their passion and innovation, have created miracles, bringing Asian coffee to stand alongside the world. For decades, the coffee plant has become a symbol of faith and hope. Asian farmers do not only see it as a crop but as a companion, as a legacy passed down from their ancestors. It is this love and dedication that have helped them overcome countless challenges, from harsh weather to economic fluctuations. They have turned barren lands into fertile gardens, where billions of tons of high-quality coffee are produced each year, bringing pride to an entire continent. The world of coffee farmers is a vibrant picture, where each coffee bean tells a story. It is a story of resilience in facing challenges, of joy in bountiful harvests, and above all, of the dream to reach new horizons, to truly understand the value of every cup of coffee we enjoy. Let's explore the miraculous journey of Asian farmers, those who have and continue to make significant contributions to the world coffee industry. Asia, a land of diverse cultures, is also home to ideal natural conditions for coffee cultivation. From the basalt plateaus of Vietnam, the volcanic mountains of Indonesia, to the vast valleys of India and Thailand, each place offers a unique coffee flavor. When talking about Asian coffee, one cannot overlook Vietnam, a country known as the king of Robusta coffee worldwide. The Lam Dong Highlands, with its temperate climate and fertile red basalt soil, is where millions of tons of coffee are produced every year. Here, coffee beans are not only a source of livelihood but also a source of pride for the farmers. Every harvest season is a true festival, where the people gather to harvest, process, and enjoy the fruits of their labor. The joy is evident on every face, because they know that these coffee beans will travel around the world, carrying with them the story of this land and its people. Indonesia, with over 17.00 islands, is one of the oldest coffee-growing countries in Asia. Sumatra Island, famous for its rich Arabica coffee, has a flavor that embodies the earth with a hint of tangy acidity that is irresistibly alluring. Farmers here use the unique gilling basar method to process the coffee, creating a distinctive flavor. Each coffee bean from Sumatra is a work of art, reflecting the dedication and skill of the local farmers. Located in Karnataka, the Coorg Valley is considered India's coffee paradise. Here, Arabica and Robusta coffee are predominantly grown with high quality, providing a stable income for thousands of households. The farmers of Coorg not only grow coffee but also build agritourism farms, turning the harvest process into an enjoyable cultural experience for visitors. This not only increases the value of coffee but also promotes the local economy. In Thailand, coffee is primarily grown in northern provinces such as Chiang Mai and Chiang Rai. Here, farmers adopt sustainable farming methods, protect the environment, and preserve the fertile land. Each harvest season, the rural villages are filled with laughter. The people are not only proud of the quality of their coffee but also joyful when they see their products recognized on the international market. Along with the development of science and technology, the coffee industry in Asia is also undergoing significant transformation. Modern harvesting machines, smart irrigation systems, and advanced processing technologies have helped farmers increase both the yield and quality of coffee. In the past, coffee harvesting relied entirely on manual labor. However, today, many places have adopted machinery to shorten the time and reduce costs. Harvesting machines are not only faster but also ensure that coffee beans are picked at their optimal ripeness. Asian coffee is famous for its diversity in processing methods. In Vietnam, dry processing remains the most common, while Indonesia and India prefer wet processing. Each method imparts a unique flavor, satisfying coffee lovers all over the world. Some companies in Asia have started using AI to classify and control the quality of coffee beans. This not only helps optimize the production process but also enhances the reputation of Asian coffee in the international market. The coffee industry not only brings economic benefits but is also an important part of the cultural life of Asian people. Coffee appears in festivals, becoming a symbol of unity and a source of inspiration for art. Each year, the coffee industry in Asia contributes billions of USD to the GDP of various countries. It is the main source of income for millions of households, especially in rural areas. In Vietnam, iced coffee with condensed milk is not only a drink but also a symbol of connection among people. In Indonesia, the ritual of drinking coffee with family is an indispensable part of daily life. Behind each delicious coffee bean are heartfelt stories of everyday life, dreams, and tireless efforts of Asian farmers. Coffee is not just a source of income but also a thread that connects them to their motherland and the community. Mrs. Le, a farmer over 60 years old in the Lam Dong highlands, has been involved with coffee since she was a child. Each coffee bean she harvests is treated with the care as if it were a spiritual child. She once said, "When I hold those ripe coffee beans in my hands, I not only see the labor I've put in, but also the hope for a bright future for my grandchildren." Mrs. Le's dream doesn't just stop at making a fortune from coffee. She also organizes small classes to teach coffee cultivation techniques to the younger generation, hoping to preserve her family's traditional craft. In Sumatra, the Pak Suharto family has been growing coffee for 3 generations. What makes them unique is not only their cultivation techniques but also their deep love for their homeland. Pak Suharto shared, "Each harvest, I always feel a sense of joy. It's not just the result of hard work, but also a way for us to thank the earth for the wonderful natural conditions." His family is also a pioneer in environmental protection by planting shade trees, helping maintain the natural ecosystem. In Korg Valley, a young man named Aaron gave up his city job to return home and grow coffee. For Aaron, coffee is not just a source of income but also a symbol of sustainability and harmony with nature. He shared, "When I left the city to return to Korg, everyone said I would fail. But when I saw the coffee plants sprouting, I knew I had made the right choice." Aaron also started an eco-tourism farm, guiding visitors through the coffee cultivation and harvesting process, helping to increase the economic value for his family and community. Along with superior quality, Asian coffee has conquered the global market through creative marketing strategies and investments in exports. From beautifully packaged coffee to strong media campaigns, Asian coffee brands are increasingly asserting their position. Famous Vietnamese coffee brands like Trung Nguyen and Highlands Coffee have brought the image of Vietnamese coffee to the world. Particularly, their instant coffee and drip coffee products have met the convenience needs of international consumers. The marketing campaign for Vietnamese coffee not only emphasizes its unique taste but also tells the story of its culture and people, creating a significant differentiation in the market. Indonesia not only exports raw coffee, but also processes many value-added products such as instant coffee, coffee capsules, and specialty coffee. These products are designed to appeal to various customer segments, from regular consumers to high-end coffee lovers. Indian coffee, known for its consistent quality and reasonable price, has become a preferred choice for many major roasters in Europe. The Indian government also provides strong support through favorable policies and promotional campaigns at international trade fairs. The future of the Asian coffee industry looks promising as countries continue to innovate and invest in research. Along with the rise of specialty coffee trends, Asian farmers are facing great opportunities to increase the value of their products. Sustainable farming not only helps protect the environment but also enhances the economic value of coffee. International organizations and businesses are supporting farmers to adopt environmentally friendly farming methods. Modern processing technologies such as freeze-drying and natural fermentation are opening up new opportunities to enhance the quality of coffee. Research centers in Asia are actively developing these technologies to meet the demand of the premium coffee market. Specialty coffee is becoming a global trend, and Asia is no exception. With its unique flavors and closed-loop production process, Asian specialty coffee is gradually conquering demanding markets like the United States and Europe. The coffee industry in Asia, with its diversity and creativity, not only provides a significant source of income but also enriches the culture and lives of millions of people. The joy, pride, and excitement of Asian farmers are the driving force behind the growing prominence of Asian coffee on the world map. Thank you for watching our video. If you would like me to make a video about any agricultural product, feel free to comment below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel.